What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Mark here with an exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So, Aisha Yesufu have a different perspective about this River State crisis, and her take on this issue is actually different from every other take that we have been seeing here. According to her, she feels like the fight between Wike and Fubara was actually just a spike to get Rivers people, the people of Rivers State, talking about all of this issue. Now, in this video I'm about to share with you, she actually dropped a video giving full details and breaking it down word for word why her own take is different from the take of others concerning this Rivers issue, that's between Wike and his predecessor, Sim Fubara. Well, I will not say much. I will allow you guys to listen to this video. Now, video credit here belongs to Aisha Yesufu. We do not own right to the content. Please enjoy this video. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys.
Hello, everyone. So, Supreme Court dismisses Rivers Governor Fubara's appeal against pro-Wike's Amewule-led assembly. So that's the end of it. You know what it is. Supreme Court is the highest. Sorry, let me put on. Let me. There's no. There's like. Sorry. Trying to put on my leg. My husband is my minister of power. Ensures I have 24/7 electricity. At least there's solar, there's inverter, there's generator, there's the other government own. So thank God for husbands that care. Anyway, back to the story. Supreme Court dismisses Rivers Governor Fubara's appeal against pro-Wike's Amewule-led assembly. Remember all of that drama? Those as National Assembly, State Assembly members that had decamped and then did not decamp, and then they presenting Fubara presented budget to what. Anyway, that brouhaha, that's what this is all about. The Supreme Court of Nigeria has dismissed the appeal by Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State, which challenged the leadership of the Rivers State House of Assembly led by Martin Amewule, who is loyal to former Rivers Governor and current Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike. Justice Uwani Abba Aji delivered the ruling, noting that the appeal was withdrawn by Fubara's lawyer, Yusuf Ali San. So is the Fubara, so in this case now, it's not the, okay, it's the Fubara's lawyer that they now withdrew the case. Because I saw another article also where they were explaining why is it that they withdrew this particular case. Okay, interesting. The Supreme Court was had also awarded cost of 2 million naira against the governor, payable to the Rivers State House of Assembly as the first respondent and Martin Amewule as the second respondent. Court documents obtained by Sahara reporters and signed by the governor's lawyer Yusuf Ali show that the court tendered the notice of withdrawal of the appeal on February 6, 2025. This document reads, take notice that the appellant herein intends and wholly withdraws his appeal against all the respondents in this appeal. The appeal has been overtaken, by events. Then they had the legal document there and all of that. The legal implication of these developments is that Governor Fubara is now bound by the Court of Appeals ruling, which recognized Martin Amewule as the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. So in this case, Fubara is the one that has withdrawn the case. So what now? What was the drama all about? Obviously, they have come to an agreement, they come to a consensus and stuff like that. Earlier, James Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja nullified the 800 billion naira budget passed by the ADC AT-led faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Anyway, this whole Fubara, even at the end of the day, these people, they have a way of resolving their issue, doing their own thing. Now they talk to anyhow, do it that we are here doing anyhow for them. So we are the ones. Citizens of Nigeria, wallah, we mumu, our mumu never do. Our mumu never do. Now we mumu past any other time. These people are just there using our head, people, anyhow that they want to. But I saw an article, let me go and check that one, because I'm just also reading I'm also reading this. For me, I always, like somebody said, I should first of all go and read it, then come and do, what do you call that, analyze it. No, I can't do that because I won't have time for that. I won't be, if I read it, I won't come and put it on camera. So it's better I put it on as I'm reading it, and have something. Let me put withdrew, Fubara withdrew. Let me see what it will bring up for me to be able to understand why is it that. Okay, so somebody has it here. He said, I just saw a headline here. This person said, what I told Arise TV anchor has come to pass. Fubara tactically withdrew, but has now had the case dismissed, which means it was heard and decided. Amewule-led members will find it difficult to enforce the judgment in Rivers State. Wike 2.0 is raging. What does this even? What this matter? This Fubara, okay, this army, but I've not even seen this. I'm seeing this one now. So I've bear with me. We will hear it together. Let me see what he's saying.
Question to you right now.
Okay, let me.
In fact, at that judgment, you will hear that the justices berated the governor of Rivers State. They actually described him as having taken into his hands the law and was practicing he went on self-help. And they eventually said that he actually cannot probate and reprobate because he had withdrawn his case.
Okay, so in your view,
they have consolidated these cases and they're going to hear it
No,
on the
that's
10th
what
of
it is.
February.
So you
at the
understand.
Supreme
Help us
Court.
explain.
What Frank should have told you when you asked that question, you asked a very silent question. That what should the National Assembly do? You should have told you that it was subsidized. That's what you should have said.
Okay, so I was going to throw that question to you right now. What should the National Assembly? What is their function? What should they do?
There is nothing the National Assembly can do until the Supreme Court. Yes. Takes a decision on this matter.
So in general, you don't see any role that the National Assembly.
There is no role they can
play. Yeah, because it's already in court.
There is no role. First of all, when the Assembly, yes, when the Assembly was called, there is no role that they can. Yes, it's also important. So on the 10th of February, the Supreme Court will take a decision.
So we'll head for a short break now. We'll be back.
Okay. So this guy is saying, I think there's something. Hey, God, lawyers, where are you people? There's something about the National, of course, not the National Assembly can take an issue. They can make a decision when there's a problem in the State House of Assembly. Yes, sometimes they can even dissolve it. I think that's in the law also. I should not be thinking I should be very fashionable, but I think it is in the law. So what he's saying now, so now effectively by withdrawing it, now it has forced the Supreme Court to come to a deciding end on the matter. So now other means can be done. Okay. So and then someone is also coming. It's short, It's the discussion that is going on. In short, this one it needs in-depth, conversation on this whole issue. Because I see someone here saying, Senior, there's another conversation here. Let me just go on.
Some highlights of what is going on. We understand. I'm looking at the list here, so I'm literally walking my phones as we're talking. We have like more than 10 cases. Some is basically sister appeals and cross appeals at the Supreme Court that involves the River State government, House of Assembly, and other issues as well. But what do you make of this latest decision by the Supreme Court dismissing the appeal by the governor of River State against the Amewule-led House of Assembly? We understand the government actually had withdrawn the suit.
Well, the judgment of the Supreme Court and the development leading to the dismissal of the suit, for me, is significant in two main respects. One, it shows the supremacy of the Constitution. We know the Constitution is the ground norm, the young commander, and this, the principles underlying some of these decisions are already spelled out in the Constitution. So what the Supreme Court has done today is to reaffirm constitutional provision. That's one significant, fallout of the decision. Secondly, I'm impressed by the two lawyers on the other, on both sides are very, very eminent. They understand the rules, they understand the Constitution. So the fact that Yusuf Aliasen has properly advised his client to withdraw the suit Because ultimately, without that withdrawal, we all know and speculate on the outcome. So I think it's dignifying of Mr. Yusuf Ali, Mala Yusuf Ali, to have withdrawn the suit. And that has also made it very easy for the court not to write that has also made it very easy for the court not to write a lengthy ruling, just to also dismiss. And then the last implication is the fact that the suit as it is stands dismissed, which means that issue cannot be litigated again. It should have been otherwise if it was merely struck out, which means the issues can still be raised again. So what the Supreme Court has done is to lay the matter finally to rest, which means the 27 members of the House of Assembly are now officially recognized.
That's the implication.
The implication. And it also means that whatever decisions are taken previously, and the behest of the three-member, members of the House of Assemblies are now declared a nullity. Now the implication is that the only 27 members of the House of Assembly is fully recognized right now.
All right.
It's not a victory for any party. It's a victory for constitutional supremacy.
Okay, I think I'll stop at this place because the video is there a whole lot more. You see what's going on. But the question I want to ask is that these people just using our heads, are they just wasting the time of that should be focused on governance? What is it really at the end of the day? For me, anything that makes Rivers State and Rivers State people to win, that's who I am. I don't care about Fubara, I don't care about Wike, I don't care about nobody. I care about the state and the people, and that's it. Just like I talk about Nigeria, I don't care about me, I don't care about whoever it is. It's about Nigeria and Nigerian people. Can Nigeria and Nigerian people win? Can every state and their people win? That's what matters at the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
You have listened to every single word that came out from the Queen Mother herself. Me, I always call her the Queen Mother. Yeah, a lot of you don't always like to find that funny, but one of the basic reasons is she always states the fact according to how it is. Although you might her own understanding and other people understanding might not be different, but might not be the same. But saying the truth is another thing on its own entirely, and that's one of the reasons why I keep bringing her content here. Anyway, thank you for watching that video. I hope you learned one or two things from the video, and if you do, please drop that in the comment section below, guys.